How to add TFN to ING Bank. Follow my instructions. If you're an ING Bank customer in Australia, you may need to provide your tax file number, TFN. This helps ensure you don't pay extra withholding tax on the interest you earn. Adding your TFN is simple and can be done online in just a few minutes. Start by logging into your ING online banking or the ING mobile app. Use your client number and access code to securely sign in. Once you're in, go to the settings or profile section of your account. Look for an option that says tax file number or TFN details. Select it, then enter your TFN exactly as it appears on your tax documents. Double-check the number before submitting to avoid any mistakes. If you don't have your TFN handy, you can also provide an exemption code. For example, if you're under 16 or not required to lodge a return, ING accepts those codes too. This way, you won't be charged unnecessary withholding tax. After you save the changes, ING will confirm your TFN has been added to your account. It may take a short time to update, but once done, your tax details are secure. And that's it. That's how to add your TFN to ING Bank quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.